Hi everyone, I decided to vlog today just to see how you guys like videos like this. I used to vlog a while ago on my channel, but I decided to kind of private those videos since the topics that I was sharing would not really fit to the topics that I would be discussing, like skincare or beauty. But for some reason I decided to just go ahead and then start all over and see how you guys like it. I'm gonna try to include as many videos as I can, so that way you guys, get to see how my life is like here, in Hawaii, and just, my personal life as well. Hi guys, I just got out of work and it is super, super windy here. So I'm waiting for my husband to come and pick me up. So it is a little bit of wait, but I really hope that I'm not gonna get sick, because last time I waited here it was this kind of windy and I got terribly sick. So hopefully I'm gonna be fine. And hubby is here. Good afternoon everyone. So this is actually the third day of vlogging. Yesterday I couldn't vlog because I was super busy and I couldn't get the chance to really capture a video for you guys, but today the vlog continues. I just filmed a video for you guys. It's gonna be about the body products that I love using. So I think the video is going to be up before the vlog. Filming a video, oh my god, takes such a long time. It looks so simple when you upload it, because not many people realize how much effort it requires, how much time it requires, and dedication, attention to make it perfect. And on top of it, if you are not English speaker, it's even harder. I know, that's crazy. I did my makeup, and actually this makeup was inspired from yesterday. One of my coworkers, he's very talented. He did my makeup and I was super inspired, and I actually got so good tips about applying contour, and using a highlight. As you guys can see, like, my contour and highlight looks on point and I love it. I want to show you guys what things I got yesterday. The bronzer that my coworker used, and I want to show you. And also it came with a couple of gifts on the side as well. It was a free gift as a purchase. Okay guys, I got this bronzer, and this is the one that he used, and I loved how it turned down on my skin. As you guys probably know, I do have a big cheeks, so it is so hard to find the right color and also right like a texture for my skin, and to really bring out the right bronzing. Like, it is so hard, and he did it perfectly. Like, it was so easy for him, and I was like, oh my god, I needed to get this bronzer. So this is actually the Urban Decay. It is their naked skin shape shifter. That is so interesting name. But it comes with 4 different types of color. As you guys can see, like, there's a deeper tone, and there is also the middle tone right here. This is the one that I use. I love it. And this also comes with a really nice powder. To be honest, I ended up liking it, because not many I don't like too many powders, to be honest, but this is the one that I actually really like. And also it comes with a highlighter. This line right here is the bomb. I love it. It comes with a little mirror on the side, and on the other side it comes with the cream type of like bronzer, blush, and also highlight as well. I personally don't use cream, but we will see. It depends on whether if I want to go more natural. Maybe I end up using them, but for now I am enjoying the bronzer. It is the bomb. Like, it retails, I think it's about $43, but with my discount and everything it turned to $32. So I love it, hands down. One of the nicest bronzers that I have tried. But on the side it came with a little gift. The best part is the little bag. I love it. Oh my god, this is the nicest cosmetic bag that I received ever. It is so convenient if you do have enough makeup that you want to use in this bag. You can even take it when you travel as well. It comes with a little snap button, and then inside is also really soft and cushiony. I love it. So it came with the 4 free product that I want to show you guys. So this is actually the Bare Minerals free gift. It was a purchase. For some reason they gave it to me for free, but I bought their birthday cake. But anyway, so it came with 4 different types of products. It came with this lip gloss, a lash domination volumizing mascara. So it's from Bare Minerals as well. And the size, to be honest, is really nice. I like how it comes with this wand that actually helps to give a volumizing effect to your lashes. And it also came with the skincare product, which is so surprising. So it is their skin longevity power infusion, vital power infusion. So this is like more, I would say, a serum, but the consistency of the product is kind of watery, but at the same time it looks like a milk, as you guys can see. And once you put it on the skin, it is a bit tacky. It reminds me of a Lancome like a Genifique serum that I use. And it also came with this little powder that I am really enjoying to use. Like, this is the one that I used on my skin today, and it is a very fine illuminizing powder. But anyway, like, when you swatch it on the skin, I'm not sure if you guys can see it or not, but let me get a better swatch for you guys. When you put it on the face, it looks like your skin is just you know, sparkling. Yes, that's the right word. That's a little makeup haul for you guys. I also want to show you guys a little thing on the side that to give you a sneak peek of my work for YouTube. So this is actually my book holder that I use to, you know, like hold my planner. This is the one that actually keeps me reminded that, you know, about my plans and my days. But when I film, the book planner is gone and my homework is here. And I actually hold it with a little like hair clip, and I write everything here. I write the price, I write about the products, you know, the main benefits and everything. So it actually helps me to be on track of what I'm talking about and really give you guys the important information. Boom, you guys are in my kitchen now, so please don't mind about the mess in my background, because I really have to do the dishes and clean my kitchen tonight. So I want to show you guys something about something that I love. It's my favorite snack. I know chocolate is not the best thing to eat, but once in a while, why not? So anyway, this is the pretzel dips that we love. Me and my husband love these things, like for snack. It just really makes you feel that you're not hungry anymore when you're hungry. So my favorite one is the dark chocolate one, and these pretzels are covered with the Hershey's dark chocolate. So anyway, I'm gonna end up doing the dishes, and I really have to think what I have to cook for tonight. I'm done doing the dishes. As you guys can see, I do have my hairband. So I want to show you guys what kind of products I want to use for my food tonight. I decided to cook a jarkov, vermicelli jarkov. I'm sure most of you don't know what I'm talking about. It's more like, I would say, Uzbek food. Okay, here is what we are using tonight for food. I do have green beans. Isn't it funny how I use my hair ties for almost everything? They're super handy. And I do have a diced tomatoes. We usually buy them in a can, and they're really handy. I kind of got used to using diced tomatoes like in my country, so I pretty much use them almost in every food. And I have my mushroom. It's our go-to product as well. And we have our carrots. So these are going already bad, so I really have to use them. So we're gonna develop the carrots tonight. And I do have my red potatoes. I love them. They're so soft. I mean, they're really good quality potatoes. And these are my go-to as well, like my garlic and my ginger. Just a little bit is enough. And we're gonna use 2 eggs tonight and the half onion. And also on the side, we're gonna use the spaghetti, the leftover spaghetti. As you guys can see, it's very fine. I mean, like very thin. So this is gonna be the main meat of our food. I do have a chicken, but I forgot to thaw that today, so it's still gonna be good. need some cooking therapy, you know, just once in a while. Even if they don't like cooking, you know, it just is, in my opinion, it's so therapeutic, you know. I need to have it just once in a while. Yeah, one thing that I have to mention about Uzbek foods, by the way, they are super, super filling and stomach hugging, you know. Like, just a bowl of food there, it's gonna fill you up. Just a little bit goes a long way there. Uzbek people love, like, heavy foods, I would say. So, my food is almost there, guys. I just need to boil my spaghetti and then mix it up and then wait for it to be all cooked. Something that you can also use, by the way, for this, you can use a sesame oil. Sesame oil is not that popular, but I love this flavor. Like, it is so good. Like, sesame oil is one of my favorite oils. It's super heavy, but at the same time, it is so powerful when you use it in your food, and I love it. Just a little bit goes a long way with this one too, you know. Also, just a little bit of black pepper is a really good option as well. I like the not grinded one because as you grind it when you cook, like, it gives a fresher smell, and it's super, super strong, and I love it. Everything looks great so far. As you guys can see, I use a lot of cooking oil. Part of it is you have to use a lot of cooking oil in our food because you want every single ingredient to be cooked well. They don't like any crispiness or any raw vegetables in the food. So that's one thing that's really popular as well in our cooking. So I'm boiling a little water for spaghetti. Like, I have to boil that and then add it to the rest of the ingredients. I wanted to share something with you guys that not long ago I posted my New Year resolution video, and I shared my most important goals for 2018. But for this year, like, all of a sudden we're just being exploded with so many plans and goals with my husband. It is incredible. Like, it is already like super exciting for me this year, the beginning of this year, because we're planning so many different things, you know, like so many big goals, like I would say. You know, it is very important to make a goal, and I think just at least to give it a try and then see whether this thing is for you or not. Along the way, I keep doing whatever I'm doing, you know, as long as I love what I'm doing, it's gonna keep going. For some reason, the light is not that good here from this angle, but bear with me, guys, okay? We already started saving for Japan, by the way, which is so exciting. Yay! Like, you guys know we travel almost every single year. Well, if you guys didn't know that, we do travel almost every single year. Like, even the mini travels also count for traveling for us, because for us it's very, very important to experience world, to experience different cultures, you know. It is also very exciting for my husband's career as well, because he gets to learn a lot. Like, he gets to try so many different foods and learn different flavors, you know, from different culture or from different cuisines, I would say. So we have to be extra frugal, you know, no extra spendings, like no extra like a crazy like a luxury things anymore. We don't really mind not spending much, to be honest. We both are very big savers. Like, I have like started saving when I was 14, so it's not a big deal for me. Saving money is not a big deal for me, you know. Spending money is not a big deal for me as well. But however, sometimes I try my best to be cautious with my finances. My food is almost ready. Yay! It looks kind of messy, but it is super yummy. It is so yummy, guys. You have no idea. This is the finished look of my food dinner tonight. I love how it came out, you know, just it is super, super like stomach hugging. And also, did you guys know that salted tomatoes are my favorite things in the world? I can eat it whole day and never get tired. I am that crazy. I love tomatoes with salt so much.